Whether you're a homeowner, investor, or business owner, we specialize in creative financing solutions that traditional banks and lenders can't or don't want to take the time to understand how to do them. I always tell my team, if there's a way to structure it, I'll find it. Because today, most people think of a mortgage as a debt, something you have to pay over time, right? Well, the truth is, a mortgage can be one of the most powerful financial instruments you'll ever use. If it's structured correctly as a financial tool designed to strengthen your financial position and allow you to build a long-term strategy for long-term wealth and stability for you and your family. Right now, too many consumers are limited by outdated lending models and don't consider the full financial picture powered by AI. Most traditional banks and lenders say no when a deal is outside the box or looks too complex, and that's when we step in. My name is Christian Penner. I'm a mortgage broker with America's Mortgage Solutions, and I've been in the mortgage and real estate financing business since 1997. Almost 3 decades of helping and working with homeowners, investors, business owners, and entrepreneurs to design strategies that go far beyond the loan itself and create and align a financial package with short-term and long-term goals, payments, and strategies, and create a wealth plan. Over those years, I've seen nearly every type of transaction imaginable, from the simple FHA VA loans on a primary home to a multi-million-dollar cross-collateralized multi-state deal to international factoring structured financing facilities for billion-dollar companies. And through all of it, one thing has stayed the same. Every client deserves a strategy that works for them. Your financing vehicle, whether it is mortgage or some sort of business purpose working capital structured deal, should align with your short-term and long-term payment strategies and your overall wealth plan. When structured the right way, it can minimize your taxes, maximize your cash flow, and create an intelligent debt management strategy that builds sustainable wealth for you, your family, and your business. At America's Mortgage Solutions, we treat every opportunity to lend like a custom-built financial plan. Whether it's for you to buy your primary home, a second home, an investment property, or a luxury asset you want to buy, or for business lending to improve your business, we don't just find approval solutions, we engineer results. Our results speak for themselves. Check it out below on the image. We have closed $52 million, a mix of normal deals to very complex real estate and business purpose solutions, to an active pipeline of more than $134 million. We have structured it all across residential existing properties, for conventional and jumbo loans, to construction loans, to DSCR loans, commercial business purpose private hard money loans, for national deals, to very complex international factoring structured lending. And most of the deals, traditional banks and lenders couldn't even comprehend, better yet close. Many of these clients were referred to us not only by realtors and financial advisors, CPAs, and divorce attorneys, but other loan originators who trust us to have the resources to help them get their deals done and take care of their clients. Because when your financing package as a part of your financial strategy, everything changes. Instead of just taking on debt, you're using leverage to grow your equity, enhance your business, protect your cash flow, and create long-term security for you and your family and your business. That's the difference between working with a traditional loan originator and doing a loan instead of working with a mortgage professional like myself and looking at it as a long-term wealth strategy. If you're ready to design a mortgage financing strategy that builds wealth instead of debt, I'd love to connect with you. Schedule time below and we'll set up a free strategy session. There's a link at ams.money/calendar, or call or text me directly at 561-316-7544. I'll review your goals, your current structure, your future plans, and show you how we can structure a financing strategy that will work smarter for you instead of you working for it just to make debt payments. So my information's on the screen below. ams.money/calendar to book a time with me. Call me 561-316-7544. And listen, again, I'm Christian Penner with America's Mortgage Solutions. I am your mortgage broker strategist to help you not just close loans, but structure them in a way we can engineer wealth strategies that are cutting edge and powered by today's AI.